All right, let's talk estimating decimals. All right, let's remember all of our strategies that we use for decimals. First thing is we line up. We want to make sure that we line those decimal points up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring my decimal point over first. That way I know everything's going to be in line. In front of my decimal point is a 2. Behind my decimal point is 761. The next thing I want to do is make them apples to apples. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything is even, meaning that I have a number in each of those place value columns, and I see I do not have one here, so we're going to add a 0 because 0 means nothing when it's added behind a decimal or in front of a whole number. So now I've lined them up. I have apples to apples. The last thing that I can do is think money. Go ahead and put a $sign in front of each of these, because today what we are going to do is we are going to round to the nearest whole number. So I want to think of these two amounts as money. The other thing that you can do, because these numbers are now in the thousandths place, and generally when we think of money, we do not use the thousandths place, cover it up. It doesn't matter. Now I'm looking at the amount of $2.41. Is $2.41 closer to $2 or $3? Is that 41 cents going to be great enough to push it up to $3? You're right, no, it's not. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to write a 2 for my whole number. I do not have to put the decimal behind it, or I could. It's just zeros. Now I'm going to look at 2 and 76/100. Again, thinking about money, that's $2.76. Is that amount closer to $2 or is it closer to $3? You're right. $2.76 is greater than $2.50, which means that one is going to round to $3. Coming back up here to the problem, I want to check my operation. I know I'm adding, so it doesn't matter that my smaller amount is on top and my bigger one is on the bottom. I can go ahead and add them up. I can drop my zeros down if I included them, and then I can add my whole number. 2 plus 3 is 5. Remember to add and not multiply. So when estimating decimals, I can go ahead and round them to the greatest place value and then add them together. If we were subtracting, this problem would not be in the correct order because I can't take $3 away from someone that only has $2. I would have to switch my numbers around in order to be able to complete the problem. Now this person has $3 and they need to take 2 away. I can do that now.